Victor Rani, the sitting MDC of Jirang, has resigned from the NPP and joined the Indian National Congress after being denied a ticket for the upcoming elections. His defection is seen as a major shift in the political landscape of the region. Rani was welcomed by several Congress leaders and supporters at gathering in Birnihat. This move strengthens the Congress in Jirang, with Rani likely to be the party's candidate in the MDC elections. His decision reflects growing discontent within NPP in the constituency. Congress has yet to announce its candidate, but Rani's prospects are strong.
Party Congress ng impiang sisisin ya kanila party ako at Jirang constituency. Ipagka ng kusyang nga ipagka ipag-ik at hay nga berpat at hinyakan lang doon kapan nga hakan ng election kapan lang hawag na rin pang araw-araw apisan.